adventure. Welcome back to Cape Town, South Africa. Right now we are starting the hike up Lion's Head, my favorite hike in Cape Town, and I can't see where I'm going because I have the flashlight on my phone. It's completely dark, so I'm just walking right now, trusting my feet, hoping I know the way, but we'll see. Cape Town is already looking beautiful. We have some glimpses of light coming over the horizon, but hoping to be up the mountain by the time the sun rises. Whew, I'm already out of breath. Good morning.
Morning.
What's up?
I'm so tired.
Ready?
Yeah.
We
I was
were
tired when I woke up.
very hesitant to do the hike when we woke up. So we only went to bed at like 11 o'clock and we woke up at 4:30. So we were like, do we really want to do it? We've done it a billion times, but it's our last day in Cape Town, so we decided to put in the work and just do it. Just make it happen, because otherwise we would have regretted it while I can't talk. Okay, let's do this hike. So unfortunately, it is still a little bit too dark to show you all of the cinematics and the cool colors that are happening right now. Also, I'm just filming this on my phone, which is pretty good for a phone, but I was saying to Quinn, it's so beautiful, the colors that are starting to come out right now. It is just like the perfect blue hour with the mountain silhouetted, all the trees silhouetted, and Quinn walking along the trail. It's all just such goodness, very, very goodness. I just want to like bottle it up and take it with me wherever I go, but unfortunately can't. I'm happy we're doing this though on the last day. Still feeling very tired, but happy to be here. So as we come around the mountain, so how this hike works is you start on one side of the mountain, you kind of like loop up all the way around, and we're on the back side right now, so it was a bit darker, but as we're coming around we're starting to see a lot more light, starting to see the city lights, and it's just all so beautiful. We have light. How you doing?
Happy to be here, but I'm so tired. So tired.
Well, we got some rock climbing and chains to do right now, so that's gonna be fun.
A little BDSM for the morning.
Go for it. You're going at it really quick. Nice. Yeah. Tired time.
No, it's a lion's roar. We're friends now.
Last push. The last stairs. Nice. Killed it.
Killed me.
Look how many cars are there now. That is crazy. The tour bus is coming in and this is just gonna keep going This is the only problem about hiking Lion's Head on the weekend, is everyone decides to do it, especially if it's a nice day like this. So there's going to be so many people coming up when we're going down, so that's pretty annoying. So if you do decide to come to Cape Town and do this, I would recommend doing this on a weekday at sunrise. It's probably the best time, and there's a lot less people on the top as well. That does not look very good. There was like a small little flame that's just turned into a massive fire down there, and the flames are just growing even bigger. So I really hope the fire department gets to that very soon. Alright, it's been real Lion's Head, but I think it's time to head down. The sun is up and I want to get down before too many people. Never mind. Look how many cars there are right now. Look at this. That is all cars. All people hiking Lion's Head. That is crazy. Also, the fire is not doing too hot. We saw some...
No, it's actually doing really hot.
But
I know, that was terrible, sorry.
yeah, we saw a fire truck in that parking lot over there. Then it started driving up the road over there. So I hope they can figure out a way to get from there to down there. Because that is not good. Sad to see it, but on the other note, that is just spectacular. Sad to be leaving that behind. So again, if you do decide to do the hike, make sure you do it before sunrise, because it's just so packed on the weekend.
Works so well though.
What's your hiking tip?
When you're going down a hill that you won't fall on, if you walk down backwards, it's less pressure on your knees. It's also a little bit scarier, but less pressure on your knees.
But you don't see the lovely view in front of you.
I see this lovely view though.
We're almost at the bottom. I'm happy the weather turned out so perfectly as well, because it was meant to be overcast and cloudy and cold today, and it's turned out to be such a beautiful day. No clouds in the sky, so the weather report was very wrong, but kind of glad it is. So unfortunately, it seems like the fire is still raging. We heard fire trucks and stuff heading towards it, but still quite a bit of smoke. Looks nice and cinematic though, but that's probably not what we're going for.
Jeez, you can literally see the line of people. Sorry, I was supposed to be cinematic. You can see the line of people just like chilling up there. You see them. Even like on the rock face right there in the red shirt.
It's a bit difficult to see on the phone, but with our eyes you can see. That is crazy. Like, all right, let's do this.
Hello, call me Dean. I'm updating the vlog because he's driving and that's dangerous. PSA. So we just finished the hike and we are in the car, and we were gonna go home and shower and nap, but there's this thing called the park run. I'm not really completely sure what it is, but I assume it's just a run around the park, and Dean's parents always do it, and they've been wanting us to do it for ages. So we figured since we're up and moving and already sweaty, we might as well just throw in a 5K, right? So we are on our way. Woo! Woo!
Remember time.
Morning.
Remember time.
Feels like we're going to a marathon. And this is so many people. Jeez.
Lost without you.
All right, and we're off.
So finally,
Push through. How you doing?
I am honestly okay right now, but 5 minutes from now, I'm not gonna be able to walk. Dean's gonna have to carry me. I literally have not run that much since high school, so like 8 years in that distance. Did pretty well, honestly. And after a hike, I'm kind of proud of myself.
Yeah,
But also, I feel like I'm dying.
it's fine.
It's fine. We are dying, as you can tell by how red my face is.
It was good though. It was a good time. I was Quinn's hype man for the whole run, so
Like,
made sure she did it.
It was
finished it strong.
pathetic.
No, it's good. I can't believe we did a full hike and did a 5K run. I'm feeling good. I'm gonna crash so hard later.
Yeah. Well, like, it was okay. Oh man, I'm blocking the camera. It was okay up until like the 3K mark, and then I just started hitting the fan. I was like, I don't think I can make it anymore. But we pushed through, thanks to Dean. He ran with me. He like stayed behind. He could have finished way earlier, but he was like, no, we're gonna do it together because he's a good lovey.
Nice.
Yeah. But we did it, and my face is super red, and we're gonna go drink some coffee. Woo!
Oh. He knows I'm leaving. I'm gonna miss you, boy. Yeah. So we just got home. I collapsed on the couch. I'm dead tired from a hike and a 5K run, and all the animals know that it's our last day. So Lily, the little cat, is kind of snug, and Slater was here just now saying goodbye. Sad times. So we just made it on the plane. After the run we went for coffee and then just spent time with my family. Obviously I didn't want to focus on vlogging or anything. So here we are at the airport in the plane. It's been a very sad past few hours, but that is life. And I'll definitely be back for more adventures in Cape Town. Definitely be back to see the family. But I think like one of the biggest things I could say right now is just cherish the time with people that you love, because you never know when you'll get it again. Sad times, but I'm gonna go do big things in New York. I'm gonna get out there and make it happen.
Yeah. 2020 energy.
What are you gonna say?
At least we're traveling together.
Yeah, that makes it way better.
The last time we left, we were on separate planes, but arriving around the same time, and it was just
being
shitty.
14 or like 16 hours apart. Just traveling alone is not fun. So if you have a travel buddy, always helps, especially
And
someone
mango.
that you can snuggle with. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll throw in some travel cinematic shots out the window, but thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for joining the adventures in Cape Town. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will be back for more. Don't know when, but we'll be back. So in the meantime, get out there and make it happen. I'll see you guys in the next one.